We now move on to our next performer. India is such a diverse country with very diverse dance forms. Yet the root of each art form have origins in the basic elements of music, movement and expression. From south of India, we now move to the east of India, and we're very happy to welcome Shilpa Srinivasan, who will be performing Odissi today at Smaran Dance. Shilpa was initiated in dance from a very young age and is a versatile Bharatanatyam artist with 15 years of learning under the guidance of Srimati Paramadwara Kitur and Srimati Smita Soman from Pune. Her passion towards dance led her to pursue the art of Odissi under the tutelage of Srimati Rasika Gumaste from Pune for the past 5 years. She has been seen on various stage performances in the Bay Area and India and has been a part of many dance ensemble productions as well. A validation engineer by the day, diligent dancer by heart, she holds a Visharad in Bharatanatyam, which is a diploma, from Akhil Bharatiya Gandharva Mahavidyalaya, Mumbai, and is also currently pursuing Visharad in Odissi from Prachina Kala Kendra, Chandigarh. Today, Shilpa will be performing 2 pieces. She will begin with the Manav Udharan, a Odia Abhinaya piece set to Triputa Tal, originally composed by Guru Natwar Maharana Ji. This piece describes the great deeds of Lord Jagannath. The devotee pleads to Lord Jagannath to protect him and uplift him from his miseries. The devotee is eagerly awaiting to get a glimpse of the Lord and seeks his protection just the way the Lord protected the mighty elephant Gajendra from the crocodile. Or how he protected Draupadi by saving her honor in the Kuru Sabha. These 2 incidences have been re-choreographed by Srimati Rasika Gumaste. Manav Udharan, an Odia Abhinaya piece set to Tirupati Tal.
उदाहरण कर जगन्नाथ नाम नीळाचळे मान उद्धारण कर हे कारण शरण तुम पद तळे लखे योजन रे गजडाक देला लखे योजन रे गजडाक देला लखे योजन रे गजडाक देला ताण कसूनील पोसा खेळे ताण कसूनील पोसा खेळे ताण कसूनील पोसा खेळे कुरु सभास्थय द्रौपदी चिंतिला कुरु सभास्थय द्रौपदी चिंतिला कुरु सभास्थय द्रौपदी चिंतिला कोटी वस्त्र देल अवहेळे कोटी वस्त्र देल अवहेळे कोटी वस्त्र देल अवहेळे कहे उप इंद्र कवि कुल चंद्र कहे उप इंद्र कवि कुल चंद्र शरण तुम पद तळे अनाथ रानाथ नीलगिरीनाथ जगन्नाथ नाम नीळाचळे मान उद्धारण कर हे कारण शरण तुम पद तळे शरण तुम पद तळे शरण तुम पद तळे शरण तुम पद तळे शरण तुम पद तळे.
Bhattacharya is a pure dance or nritta item in the traditional Odissi repertoire. It is in honor of the Batuka Bhairava, one of the 64 aspects of Lord Shiva. The dancer displays technique of pure dance in the form of devis, bhangis and karanas as found on the temple structures. There is also a display of poses using the different musical instruments like veena, martala, venu and manjira. This item is a combination of tandava as well as gentle lasya. Tandava being the fierce nritta and lasya being the gentle abhinaya. Intricate rhythmic patterns are also worked out elaborately in different passages of a continuing refrain, and no song or recitation is allowed in the accompaniment. The batu is set to tal ekatali and mohanara and will be performed now for sure.
तक धागा तकता हम जम तरी तक धादा कड़ तकता हम जम तक धादा कड़ तकता हम जम तरी तक धादा कड़ तकता हम जम तक धादा
तारी ता धेनु तारी कुंदारी ता कुंदारी ता धेनु तारी ता धेनु ता धेनु ता कड ता केटा धेनु ता धेनु ता कड ता केटा धेनु ता धेनु ता कड ता कड तक छै कड तक छै ता कड तक छै कड तक छै ता कड तक छै कड तक ता तारी कड तक धम तारी 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 कड तक गिटा तक धै तो दिमी तातो दिमी गिटा दिमी धम दर कड तक ना दर कड तक ना धम दर तक धै तो दिमी तातो दिमी गिटा दिमी धम दर कड तक ना दर कड तक ना धम दर तक धै कड तक ता धै धै सुंदर कड तक ना दर कड तक दिगे न धै सुंदर कड तक ना दर कड तक दिगे न धै धा धा कड तक दिगे न धै धा धा कड तक दिगे न धै धा धा कड तक दिगे ता धम तक दिगे न कड तक दिगे न कड तक दिगे न
Let's hear it one more time for Shilpa Srinivasan. There's a beautiful quote I read this morning about how Odissi dance elevates the mind, fostering inner peace, focus, and profound harmony between body and soul. Because Odissi is a dance form that creates magic on stage. The quote read, "The precision and control in Odissi is a reflection of discipline and dedication." Thank you so much, Shilpa, for this wonderful and scintillating performance. We wish you the very best in your Odissi journey as well. Let's give Shilpa one more round of applause before we go to the next performance.